analyze phase. Okay. Now in analyze phase, we do, this is the first and very important tool of analyze phase. It's called, what is the name of this tool? Type in the chat box, everybody. What is the name of this tool, guys? Type in the chat box. Exactly, it is Fishbone or Ishikawa or cause and effect or 6Ms. It is all the same thing, right? Fishbone, Ishikawa, cause and effect is the same thing. So according to Professor Ishikawa, remember that Edward Deming, Juran, and the third gentleman was Ishikawa, who was a Japanese professor from Japanese Union of Scientists and Engineers. Okay, according to Professor Ishikawa, you cannot have only one cause for the problem you have, the process problem you have. You have to have multiple causes associated with that. And to identify, okay, to identify these factors, okay, the three names are Deming, Edward Deming, Juran, and the third one is Ishikawa. Deming, Juran, and Ishikawa. Deming, Juran, and Ishikawa. Okay. So we're going to learn a lot of things about these people. Okay. Now Ishikawa says you have to have 6 various buckets. Okay. So according to him, it is man, method, material, machine, measurement, and mother nature. These are the 6 different buckets. That's why we call it as 6Ms. 6Ms. Okay, let's go one by one. Man, anything related to man. For example, lack of knowledge, lack of communication, lack of discipline, what you can say, attrition. All these are typical man-related causes, will fall into this man category. Okay. Then comes method. If you are not following the method properly, okay, method meaning the process, the procedure properly, that will fall into the method category. Because if there is a variation in the method, imagine the Pizza Hut or Domino Pizza. Every outlet started making pizza on their own, according to their own process. So the test will be, the variation will be in the test. Customer experience will be different. Okay. So that SOP is very, very important, right? So the method plays a very, very crucial role. Then comes the material. If you are changing the quantity and quality of the material, obviously there will be a change in the outcome, right? There will be the outcome variation. Yes or no? So the variation makes a huge difference. Okay. Then the material variation. Then comes the machine. Anything, any variation coming from the machine, the vibration, the downtime of the machine, the breakdown of the machine, the unavailability of the spares of the machines. Okay, machine could be manufacturing, could be service like laptop, computer, printer, okay, servers. These are also machines. Anything related to machine will fall into machine category. Then comes the measurement. Measurement meaning any measurement system you are using and any variation coming from the measurements. For example, weighing scales, the thermometer. Okay, any measurement equipment you are using, type in the chat box, everybody, guys. Speedometer, the temperature or the humidity measurement equipment, okay, or vernier calipers, screw gauges, any variation coming from the measurement equipment, any software we are using, okay, that will fall in the measurement system. Yes, running weighing scales and CMM, ULMs. Yes, fantastic. Vernier calipers. Exactly. So all the, this meters and equipments, any variation coming from that, yeah, pyrometers and micrometers. Fantastic. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, guys. Okay. Now the last but not the least is called, the mother nature. Mother nature meaning the causes which are beyond your control. Okay, mother nature causes are the causes beyond your control. For example, the temperature, humidity in the uncontrolled environment. Okay, the natural calamities or government policies. These are called mother nature causes, which are beyond your control, but you have to follow them. All right. So these are called 6Ms. Okay. Now let's do a very interesting exercise, guys. Okay. Just do a 2 minutes exercise. Everybody has seen the movie Titanic. Yes. सबने Titanic movie देखी है? Yes or no? Everybody? The Hollywood movie. Leonardo DiCaprio and Kate Winslet. Yes or no? Yes. Fantastic, fantastic. From the same movie, actually, it was based on a real life event which happened in 1912 when a gigantic ship called Titanic was sailing from Southampton of England to New York of US. And in the middle of Atlantic Ocean, it hit an iceberg and sank, taking down 1500 lives with it. 1500 लोगों की मौत हो गई थी. And we have seen the movie. That's why, with that movie, with that experience of the movie, according to you, what are the two biggest reasons why did this accident happen and why did 1500 people lost their lives? Okay, so you have to type the reason and the category both. For example, iceberg dash mother nature, overconfidence of the captain dash man. Okay, like that. Can you just do this quickly? According to you, two biggest reasons in Titanic accident. Type in the chat box quickly, guys. Fantastic. So, overconfidence, iceberg, which is a mother nature. Then, poor visibility, again a mother nature. Overspeeding, again it's a man fault. It's not a machine fault. It's a man fault, right? Less number of lifeboats, guys. Very, very important. Less number of lifeboats. If they would have had the same number of lifeboats, which are essential, a lot of people could have been saved. But because the lifeboats were less, a lot of people died. Okay, the freezing water temperature, again it's a mother nature cause. Correct? Yeah, lot of people. Yeah, insufficient lifeboats. Perfect, perfect. Are you clear? So because we have seen the movie, all these factors we can easily identify. Okay, yeah, the ego and the pride exactly of the Titanic architect and the owner. Okay, that it is unsinkable. Are you understanding? And they wanted to make some record. And actually, their company wanted to start. See, it was the era of great migration. A lot of people were migrating from European countries to America. Okay, it was the pre-first World War era, right? So, a lot of migration, and these people wanted to come out of the, what you can say, competition as something unique. Okay, we are building a huge ships, and we are the fastest shippers. Okay, so now once you identify these kinds of primary causes, then what are the primary causes? Primary causes are easily identifiable causes, but there are some causes which are underneath, some causes which are below the primary causes.